Hello friends, welcome to the Daily Answer Writing Initiative by IES Network. Today is day 15 and today again we'll be taking a portion from paper 3 that is Indian agriculture and we're looking at some different kind of aspects which can be asked in agriculture topic, especially for mains 2020. So let's start. So if we look at today is day 15 and again in paper 3 we have taken the topic of agriculture because agriculture is very important theme for mains 2020, so we are more focusing on this and this will be also relevant for students who are preparing for 2020 as well. So in Indian agriculture we have covered livestock sector, we have covered agriculture marketing, we have covered MSP. So in this sector, in this video, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking a different question based on the adoption of technology. How adoption of technology can change the face of Indian agriculture. So it is a different kind of question with a different theme and we can see how we can write a good answer with such kind of miscellaneous questions being asked by UPSC. So let's start. So the question I took was achieving higher agriculture efficiency requires what? Technological adoption. Illustrate. So the question is having two main keywords, that is agriculture efficiency. Then we have another important keyword, that is technological adoption. So the theme is clear between these two keywords, that is agriculture efficiency and the technological adoption. So now if we talk about the other aspects of it, the other aspects is that the question is having a question tag of illustrate. The question tag is illustrate. Now illustrate means more usage of examples, case studies, datas, facts, etc. So this is actually a unique requirement of the question tag or the question keyword or directive, that is illustrate. So we need to be focusing on it as well. So it's a short question we have taken today and it is of 10 marker and 10 markers are usually been given with 2 pages to write in roughly around 150 words. So we need to adhere to this guideline as well. Now if we talk about what will be the concept we will be requiring to answer this question, the concept is first is agriculture efficiency. Agriculture efficiency होती क्या है and how this agriculture efficiency different from agriculture productivity. फर्स्ट तो हम इसको कंसेप्ट बिल्ड करेंगे छोटा सा एंड देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट आर द रेलिवेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज. तो हम देखेंगे साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी में जो हमने रेलिवेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज पढ़ी उन्हीं का यूज़ करके वी कैन राइट आवर आंसर. तो फर्स्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एग्रीकल्चर एफिशिएंसी. नाउ व्हाट इज एग्रीकल्चर एफिशिएंसी इज एग्रीकल्चर एफिशिएंसी बेसिकली रेफर्स टू द वेज, ठीक है, इन विच वेरियस इनपुट्स, जो भी इनपुट्स हैं, various inputs which are being used in agriculture because we are discussing agriculture efficiency. तो जो agriculture field के अंदर जो various inputs हैं that are used in agriculture needs to be utilized and combined, ठीक है, needs to be utilized and combined in such a way to increase agriculture production. ठीक है, तो इट रेफर्स टू द वेज इन विच वेरियस इनपुट्स यूज इन एग्रीकल्चर आर फर्स्ट यूटिलाइज्ड एंड कंबाइंड इन सच अ वे टू इंक्रीज द ओवरऑल प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चर. ठीक है, सो इफ वी इट यूजुअली टॉक्स अबाउट दैट हाउ वेल, ठीक है, हाउ वेल यू आर एक्चुअली यूजिंग योर अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है, सो इट ऑल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट इन अदर वर्ड दैट हाउ वेल you are using your available resources. ठीक है, so in short we can say that agriculture efficiency is a cause. Agriculture efficiency is a cause and agriculture productivity is the effect or the outcome. So this is clear. And agriculture productivity, we all know that it is a quantitative measure and we usually measure agriculture productivity in terms of yield per hectare, yield per acre or hectare. Okay, so this is a basic concept regarding agriculture efficiency, what it is and how it is influencing the agriculture productivity. Now if we talk about relevant technologies, So in relevant technologies, you don't need to mug up every time what are the different keywords for different answers. So you need to make frameworks and you need to make templates for writing your answers. ठीक है, तो relevant technologies हैं, तो इसमें हम क्या बात कर सकते हैं, हम बात कर सकते हैं स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी की, कि हाउ स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी कैन बी an advantage to agriculture setup. Then we talk about what nanotechnology. Then we talk about what biotechnology. Then what we talk about what robotics. Then we talk about ICT. So these are the various technologies which we study in science and technology, and those same headings can be used in writing our answer for different parts of the questions asked in UPSC mains. Let's suppose the question can come ki how use of technology can help us to better predict the geographical phenomena in space, या climatological conditions in space, या how technology can help us in minimizing the effects of climate change. So we can write all these things. ठीक है, मान लो क्लाइमेट चेंज से क्या होगा, देयर मे बी चांसेस ऑफ मोर पेंडेमिक्स लाइक कोविड-19 एंड देयरफॉर द बायोटेक्नोलॉजी नीड्स टू बी फर्दर स्ट्रेंथन्ड टू आइडेंटिफाई द इन्फेक्शियस जीन्स बिफोर हैंड. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से क्या है कि वी कैन राइट आवर आंसर्स. नाउ टू लुक एट how we can write a good answer for it, the first thing is introduction, and as always we again will be writing our introduction on two lines, that is what and why. What is our static and why is our dynamic. So we will try to write a both static plus dynamic kind of introduction because it's a mix of both. So we can write that adoption of technology is required to achieve higher agriculture efficiency. ठीक है, which will help us what, which will help us to achieve the goal of doubling of farmers income by what 2022. ठीक है, which require what, which require an annual growth rate, which require an annual growth rate of 10.4% in farmers real income. ठीक है, तो इकोनॉमिक सर्वे क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स दिस स्टैट दैट average annual growth rate of 10.4% needs to be raised in farmers real income to achieve the goal of what, doubling of farmers income by 2020, and adoption of technology can be a game changer in this particular aspect and objective. और यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो ब्रैकेट में कि doubling of farmers income by 2020 किसने दिया था, दलवाई कमेटी ने. ठीक है, so these things will make your answer more informative, more legitimate and genuine in eyes of the examiner. Then if we talk about the main body, then we'll straightforward writing because a 10 marker we don't have much space. So first what we can do is we can write 3-4 lines intro using these informations, and then straightforward will be starting our main body with this heading, that importance of technology to increase agriculture efficiency. Then what we can do is we can now start with writing our main body, and then we can again take like space technology, so we can write remote sensing. So remote sensing के अंदर क्या है, use of satellites. Then GIS, that is geography information space, ठीक है, system. Then there is use of GPS. Now what these will help is, these will help us to identify what, the crop and soil health. ठीक है, so they will help us to what, do the monitoring and tracking of the crop and soil health for livestock management and farm management. Both aspects can be taken care of, therefore it will improve what, it will improve the farm efficiency. Similarly, if you talk about what, GPS, with use of GPS we can do what, we can do mapping, GPS mapping, and this mapping will help us to do what, will help us the farmer in assessing the need, that is where to put more fertilizers. Example, we have mapped the area of land degradation in the country with the use of GPS technology. अब land degradation को map कर दिया है, तो farmers can have a better say about how to put the required amount of fertilizers, the required amount of pesticides, or how to prepare his or her produce as per the agro-climatic suitability. ठीक है, agro-climatic suitability. ठीक है. सो दे नीड टू, इट विल टेल देम दैट वेयर दे नीड टू पुट मोर फर्टिलाइजर्स और लेस एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द सॉइल. बिकॉज यहाँ पर क्या है, सॉइल की हेल्थ को भी क्या है कि वी कैन एसेस द यूज ऑफ जोग्राफिकल इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम. देन ऑल्सो GPS enabled services will also help in documentation about yield and moisture. ठीक है. तो ये it will also help in what, doing the documentation processes with regarding what yield हो सकती है, and also about the moisture present, and accordingly the farmer can decide the proper time of sowing the seeds. ठीक है. तो लैंड डिग्रेडेशन के अंदर क्या है कि मान लो एक रीजन है, तो रीजन कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू दिस हाई लैंड डिग्रेडेशन रीजन, देन दिस इज लो लैंड डिग्रेडेशन रीजन, एंड जो बाकी बचे वो क्या हो सकते हैं, मीडियम लैंड डिग्रेडेशन रीजन्स. तो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन actually map the area, and accordingly we can carry forward our agriculture activities in a proper and a targeted manner. ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं पे लैंड डिग्रेडेशन ज़्यादा है और वहाँ पर क्या है कि यू आर गिविंग मोर इनपुट्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, देयरफॉर वहाँ पर आउटकम या यील्ड क्या होगी, बहुत कम निकलेंगी. देयरफॉर अ टेक्नोलॉजी कैन बी अ सेवियर इन दिस आस्पेक्ट. देन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ICT, तो ICT के अंदर वी ऑल नो द फुल फॉर्म इज information and communication technologies. So information and communication technologies, how they can help, they can help in formulating an e-chopal system. अब e-chopal system क्या होता है कि e-chopal के अंदर we do what, we install wait a sec, we install what, we install network of programs and computers all connected with internet. ठीक है. to create an ecosystem. अब ये ecosystem कैसा दिखता है, ecosystem ऐसा दिख सकता है कि यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या है, फार्मर है. ठीक है. एंड द फार्मर इज नाउ इन अ डायरेक्ट लिंकेज विद व्हाट, मार्केट. और इस फार्मर को एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम मिलेगा, इन दैट इकोसिस्टम ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशंस रिगार्डिंग द इनपुट्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. ठीक है. दैट इज लैंड, लेबर, रॉ मटेरियल्स, labor cost, all regarding information will be provided to the farmer here itself in these networks. ठीक है. where these farmers can go, and तो इन farmers क्या है कि they can access these e-chopals and they can have the information available for their need. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो सकता है, यहाँ पर there is a network of input retailers की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन और नेटवर्क भी यहाँ प्रेजेंट होगा. एट द सेम टाइम दिस इकोसिस्टम विल ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड अस द इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर गवर्नमेंट, वेरियस गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम्स, देन स्कीम्स, देन प्रोजेक्ट्स. ठीक है. तो ऑल द अवेलेबल इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी रेडिली अवेलेबल इन दिस इकोसिस्टम ऑफ e-chopal. तो होगा क्या कि इससे आउटपुट क्या निकलेगा इन रूरल एरियाज, thus in rural areas. ठीक है. these ecosystems will do what, this help us the Indian farmer. ठीक है. it helps the Indian farmer to do what, to have better price discovery. ठीक है. तो वो क्या अपनी प्रोड्यूस को क्या है कि अच्छे अमाउंट पे बेच पाएगा. एट द सेम टाइम फार्मर्स विल गेट वॉट, फार्मर विल गेट अप टू डेट इंफॉर्मेशन with the use of this ecosystem and the required information for the agriculture marketing. ठीक है. तो एग्जांपल अगर इस e-chopal का दें तो इंडिया का बिगेस्ट e-chopal इनिशिएटिव किसने चला रखा है, ITC कंपनी ने. ठीक है. इंडियन टोबैको कंपनी है. इट इज़ हैविंग द लार्जेस्ट e-chopal इनिशिएटिव फॉर इंडियन फार्मर्स. तो ITC ने क्या है कि ITC इज़ एन MNC. तो इसमें क्या है कि हमने प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स को भी क्या है कि हमने इसमें इन्वाइट कर रखा है, MNC. ठीक है. तो दिस इज हाउ e-chopals विल वर्क. सिमिलरली व्हाट अगेन वी हैव द प्रॉफिट इज कि दिस e-commerce एंड मोबाइल कॉमर्स इनिशिएटिव्स विल हेल्प अस टू डू व्हाट, दे विल हेल्प अस टू डू व्हाट, फ्रॉम farm to door connectivity. They will ensure what, farm to door connectivity. and as a result of which what they will bypass the middleman, and again the farmer will get what better price for his produce. And then others, there are various things like there is an initiative called hashtag Uber for tractors. ठीक है, so in this like Uber tractors are being rented to the farmers for their harvesting and sowing seasons. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पर क्या है कि रेंट बेसिस पे क्या है कि दे कैन हैव द एक्सेस ऑफ दीज कॉस्टली इम्प्लीमेंट्स. सिमिलरली इसमें एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्टार्टअप है, गोइंग बाय द एग्जांपल दैट इज EM3 Agri Services. What they do is they actually provide expensive and important technologically enabled equipments. ठीक है, they rent these things to farmers to be used. ठीक है, when there is the requirement. ठीक है, तो farmer don't need to go for the extra investment. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि they can rent tractors, they can rent threshers, harvesters and other mechanical implements. ठीक है, अब एग्जाम्पल क्या है कि they can also rent what हैप्पी सीडर. ठीक है, तो इससे कौन सी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी हमारी, दो स्टबल बर्निंग की. जो स्टबल बर्निंग की प्रॉब्लम है दैट विल ऑल्सो बी सॉल्व. तो पॉल्यूशन भी क्या होगा, कम. एट द सेम टाइम द स्टबल बर्निंग प्रॉब्लम विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. एट द सेम टाइम दिस हैप्पी सीडर मशीन्स विल डू वॉट, दे विल अनेबल अस or they will enable the farmers to do what, to do direct drilling of wheat into the stubble, into the rich stubble, and then stubble can easily act as what, as a manure in the later purposes. Similarly, for irrigation purposes, for precision farming, for drip irrigation, sprinklers, they can all be rented towards the farmers community by these private initiatives who are actually taking the advantages of ICT. So there will be an app of these startups and the people can actually order these things on rent basis. Then if you talk about other hardcore technologies, what we can do is, so hardcore technologies के अंदर जो भी technologies which are actually very costly but at the same time they are very productive for the farmers and can save the life of the farmers in terms of what, in terms of अगर ज़्यादा हार्वेस्ट हो जाती हैं और अगर क्या है कि ज़्यादा कोल्ड स्टोरेज सिस्टम्स या चेन्स नहीं है तो क्या है सारी यील्ड जो है दैट इज़ प्रोन टू वेस्टेजेस, तो दे कैन बी हेल्पफुल इन दिस रिगार्ड. तो अगर हम बात करें सोलर पावर पम्प्स की, तो दीज सोलर पावर पम्प्स आर प्रोवाइडिंग अबंडेंट वॉट सोलर पावर. ठीक है, दे कैन विल बी यूजिंग द solar power available, ठीक है, which is free of cost. As a result they will provide what, they will be providing us energy efficient way of irrigation. ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होगा कि जो फार्म सब्सिडीज़ होती हैं गवर्नमेंट की, उसके अंदर क्या है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सब्सिडी इज़ हैविंग अ मेजर प्रोपोर्शन. तो अगर क्या है कि इफ़ वी use the technology of solar powered pumps, then electricity subsidies can be brought down significantly and therefore the cost saved on this electricity subsidy can be invested in the other gray areas of agriculture. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या है कि एग्रीकल्चर इन्वेस्टमेंट के अंदर क्या है कि ये जो सब्सिडी का अमाउंट बचेगा द गवर्नमेंट कैन एक्चुअली यूज़ इट एंड ऑल्सो इट विल बी अ कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव एंड एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली वे. सिमिलरली अगर कोल्ड स्टोरेज टेक्नोलॉजीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है बिकॉज वी नो दैट पर कैपिटा अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स इज़ क्वाइट लो इन इंडिया. ठीक है, जो पर कैपिटा अवेलेबिलिटी है किसकी, फ्रूट्स की, वेजिटेबल्स की इन इंडिया, दैट इज़ क्वाइट लो. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रीज़न फॉर दैट इज़ कि वी आर प्रोन टू हाई पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉसेस. यील्ड इज़ हैपनिंग देयर बट after the yield, after the harvest, there are high post harvest losses. ठीक है, and this roughly are accounting to 25% to 30% of the production. in terms of fruits and vegetables. So around 25 to 30% is being lost on yearly basis in terms of post harvest losses, and therefore cold storage will be a game saver in this aspect. Similarly, if you talk about what administrative ease, so in administrative ease it will help us to boost the objectives of e-governance. It will help us in boosting the objectives of e-governance, like maintenance of land records. Then similarly, it will provide what? DBT, that is easy access to monetary aspects. Then again, it will help in what? Solving the problem of credit crisis. Again, similarly, what the government can do is, with these things, is the government can link Aadhaar. Aadhaar linked bank accounts and government records can all be made digital with use of technology, and therefore what it will do is it will benefit by establishing the correct identity. Correct identity. This will solve the problem of credit. At the same time, it will remove what? Remove both inclusion plus exclusion errors. ठीक है, तो inclusion और exclusion errors जो होते हैं in the various government schemes, projects and programs, that will also be removed. और administrative cost क्या है, वो भी क्या है कि that will be significantly brought down. तो जो भी administrative cost brought down होगी और उससे जो cost saving होगी, operational cost के अंदर saving होगी, that can be again used in investing other aspects of agriculture. तो agriculture investment जो है, जो कि बहुत stagnant है, बहुत ही sluggish है, बहुत ही sluggish pace पे grow हो रहा है इंडिया में, that can be boosted. Then again, if you talk about, so these are the various aspects. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ और भी लिखना हो तो you can write कि इस others के अंदर क्या है. There are various initiatives of government itself. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पर ICT के अंदर लिख सकते हो. You can write in the government aspect. तो वहाँ पर हम बता सकते हैं कि किसान सुविधा ऐप है. There is किसान सुविधा ऐप है. Plus there is DD किसान, dedicated DD किसान channel. ठीक है, so all these are actually increasing the awareness of the farmer with respect to the soil conditions, with respect to the crops, the variety of seeds available at the disposal, then fertilizers to be used, the subsidies available for the fertilizers. So all these things will help the farmer to make a better choice and better decision making. Then if you talk about finally the conclusion part, so in the conclusion we can say that there are constraints in adoption of technology also. तो हम बाद में क्या थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं कि issues भी हैं हल्का सा एक दो लाइन में, कि हम बता सकते हैं कि according to FICCI, जो FICCI ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ठीक है, तो इसने क्या बताया कि फार्म इक्विपमेंट्स जो हैं इंडिया में, the farm equipments used in India are only about what 40 to 45%. बिकॉज हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या था, इलस्ट्रेट था, तो हमें कुछ क्या स्टैट्स और फिगर्स भी देने पड़ेंगे. बट दिस इज वेरी वेरी लेस एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कंट्रीज, स्पेशली व्हाट यूएस. इट इज रफली अराउंड 95% जो फार्म इक्विपमेंट्स का यूसेज है. फार्म इक्विपमेंट्स यूसेज. सिमिलरली फॉर ब्राज़ील, विच इज ऑल्सो डेवलपिंग कंट्री, इट इज अराउंड 75%. देन चाइना इज ऑल्सो मच अवे ahead, that is 57 to 60%. So we are actually very much less in our farm equipment usage. Plus at the same time, what we understood by farm mechanization is more tractorization. ठीक है, तो in India more farm mechanization is not happening, but more tractorization is happening. We have the tractors available, and having tractors we are understanding that we have achieved the high levels of farm mechanization, but farm mechanization involves other mechanical and automatic equipments to be used in the field. तो इसमें बहुत सारे equipments आते हैं, ठीक है, smart irrigation technology, smart irrigation management systems, ठीक है, then all the implements which we saw in the earlier part. Therefore there is need for these things to be improved. तो ये हम क्या कंक्लूजन जस्ट पहले लिख सकते हैं एंड फिर फाइनली कंक्लूजन में क्या लिख सकते हैं कि टेक्नोलॉजी विल बी playing a vital role in integrating what local supply chains towards what global supply chains. ठीक है, how it will lead to this, because it will transform the Indian agriculture from subsistence agriculture, that is doing agriculture activities primarily for the self needs, towards the philosophy of commercial agriculture. ठीक है, which is being practiced by almost all the developed countries and the countries who are ahead than India in terms of the economic processes. So also तो ये हो सकता है, and when these commercial agricultures will be taken on a higher scale via adoption of technologies, what we will see is that the farmer will become what? An entrepreneur in himself. तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि हमें टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी विल अल्टीमेटली डू वॉट? इट विल इंक्रीज द एग्रीकल्चर एफिशिएंसी, एंड एग्रीकल्चर एफिशिएंसी क्या होगा? विल transform the face of Indian agriculture from subsistence to commercial agriculture, because still now a very important aspect of Indian agriculture is कि it has still not been reached toward that level of commercial agriculture. अभी भी क्या है कि large part of India and many farmers involved in agriculture activities are doing it with the philosophy of subsistence agriculture, that is taking the produce for their self consumption, और जो surplus होता है उसको nearby parts में बेच देना. But that is not the way you can able to achieve that required growth rate and that required productivity and efficiency in the agriculture sector. ठीक है, so this is how we can write an answer. 10 marker at 2 pages मिलेंगे. ठीक है, brief intro 3-4 lines. ठीक है, specifically from current affairs, that is दलवाई कमेटी recommendations on 2020 increasing farmers income, और उसमें कितनी required है, और how agriculture efficiency with the use of technology can be a way to achieve that. तो इंट्रोडक्शन में दे देंगे. मेन बॉडी में ट्राई टू ब्रेक योर पार्ट्स विद द डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, लाइक स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी हो गया, देन ICTs हो गया, देन गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे हो गया, देन अगेन द हार्ड कोर टेक्नोलॉजिकल सोल्यूशंस. Then finally in conclusions you can write the briefly before the conclusion you can write that there are constraints. ठीक है, like you can give a comparative model that India has this rate of adoption of farm equipments and technologies as compared to the developed worlds. तो इसलिए क्या है कि हमारे पास वहाँ बहुत सारे issues हैं. At the same time you can go with the conclusion in the end in a brief 4-5 lines. So we'll be taking lecture in next part. Thank you and have a nice day.